Go, go, just hit something. Please go fast. Oh, it's gonna hit that barn. Oh, yeah, slow it down. Stop for a second. All right, go north here. Yeah, go north here. Oh, he's gonna hit that building. Go up, pull up behind him. All right, keep going. Slow it down a little bit. It's getting strong, really strong. Slow down. Stop. 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 Can you hear it? Yeah. We need to be careful. We're right on the edge. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's a week. Look how violent that is, yeah. Haley.
It's gonna hit something in a second. It's those houses.
Look how fast it's.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta calm down because like that's.
It's coming. Are those houses right there?
Yes, that's gonna hit that house.
Oh, poor house. Looks like a nice one too.
What town are we near? It's gonna hit the. Oh, it's gonna hit that barn. Oh boy. Oh, I can hear barns getting hit already.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Don't panic. Barn. Look at that. Look at that roof flying in the air.
Goodness.
It's still going. Look at that.
Yeah.
You got that, right?
Yeah, I did. It was awesome.
I can't believe this is happening right now. This is
like collapsed now. That was
look at that.
Amazing.
Just, oh my gosh.